Goodyear Brakes is proud to offer superior brake calipers designed with exacting standards to ensure a high-quality driving experience. Goodyear calipers provide exceptional longevity, reliability, and earth-friendliness. Goodyear calipers are remanufactured using 85% less energy and raw materials during manufacturing, resulting in a truly eco-friendly process. As a remanufactured, original equipment part, our calipers guarantee a perfect vehicle fit. New stainless steel hardware clips and new mounting pins are included where applicable. Rubber seals are replaced with new high-temperature EPDM rubber for extended life and optimum performance. Mounting brackets are also included where applicable for a hassle-free installation. New banjo bolts are included to ensure a perfect fit and quick installation. New bleeder screws provide trouble-free bleeding and a positive seal. New washers are also provided to complete proper and effective seal. Every Goodyear caliper is coated with our proprietary ANTIOX MAX coating that prevents corrosion and extends the life of the caliper. All Goodyear calipers are both pressure tested and inspected to ensure product quality and safety while in use. At Goodyear, all our calipers are purpose-built to make driving safer for each and every one of our customers. Goodyear Brakes. Performance, technology, innovation.